just wanted to show off a video real quick of how to sideload apps to an Android Fire tablet from Amazon. There's a real quick way of actually obtaining a lot of apps and them being able to be installed on the Fire tablet without having to search or install the Google Play Store. I do believe you can install actually the Google Play Store through the app itself that I'm going to show you here. So what you want to do is go to APKPure.com, and there will be a download of the actual APKPure.com app. If you don't want to download the app, you can just search the website itself. The website has a bunch, if not like all of Google Play Store's apps and all of the old versions all the way to the new versions of the APK files that are needed to install the app. So as you can see here, we'll move, see if I can move that. It'll be off on the left, no, the right hand side it'll say download, and I just scrolled up to where the download button is now on the right hand side of the screen, and it says using APKPure app, download now. Download the app. Once you're done downloading the app, you can go back to your home screen, and since I have it here, I'm going to tap it and open. I'm going to pause for a second because, hey, look at this, it's going to update itself, or at least ask to update itself. So I'll be right back. Yeah, the screen will pop up and say, hey, do you want to install the update on a Fire tablet here? Looks something similar to this. In the lower right hand corner it will say install. I already hit the install button while the video was paused, and then opened it and started the video afterwards. Hit the open button in the right hand corner too. Let it start up. And here we go. It's going to start loading up its probably recommended apps, which you can scroll through that stuff. I was giving it a second because a lot of times pictures should already showed up. Maybe it's due to some lag in there. So we used to have tiles that look like that, full pictures, at least an image of maybe what the apps look at. Anyways, you can scroll through all that stuff if you're just looking for a random app, game, or anything like that. But most people want to sideload an app they already know what it is. So let's go to, say, Microsoft Word. Type in Word. You could utilize Microsoft Word too. I'm going to do mine just with Word. See what comes up. Word's already installed. I already done that one. I should have Excel installed. What's my right app to install? Okay, I bought a Now, not all apps will be able to be installed, and some some rely on the Google Play services, and you have to install the Google Play services in a certain type of way to have the Google Play Store installed. Then you would need the APKPure, but I'd still recommend using it for the fact you can always go back in versions. If one version of an app's broke and the last version works, you can always go back in the history and grab that APK. Now in the Google Play Store you can't do that. Ibotta did not show up on here. Be Frugal did. Flip. What do I want to use here? QMA. Kroger. You know what? I'm going to install Kroger here. See if it works. Probably should hit the Amazon shopping, but I do believe I already have that. Okay, once again, it's starting to stage the app. And this is where you can find out if it's going to install. And in the lower right hand corner, it says install, tap that. Starts to install. And there you go, you side loaded an app. If this goes through, this is side loaded on a Fire tablet easily. Didn't have to go through trying to track down a APK file and all that good stuff. A lot of the Google made apps don't work without the Google Play services, and you can install that from APKPure's app too. But you have to go to a specific website that instructs you how to load Google Play Store to the Fire tablet, which takes a couple of steps. It's like 3 different files, but you have to load them in a certain order. But it ain't too bad. You have to install them that way. Once they're installed, you have Google Play Store. I will say, in past experiences, older tablet that I traded in, and I got this newer tablet, 2019 version. I slowed down the older tablet having the Play Store installed and Play services. It gave it a little bit of an enhancement to a point because it had all Google Maps and all that good stuff, but it did slow the tablet down a little bit there. So I've been utilizing the tablet, this one here without the Play Store and Google Play services installed, just to see what I can do. Now there's been, I'd say a good handful of apps that wasn't able to be installed because Google Play services wasn't available. But I've also had just about 10 times as much installable apps to be able to sideload to the tablet here, more than just a few handfuls of that wasn't working. My zip, looks like the app's gonna work. There you go, I have a side-loaded app on a Fire tablet. Quick, easy situation there. That being said, let's stop this app. I hope it goes through. Sometimes they don't go fully through, but most of them do. For this, searching for locations, they need the locations here, which is Google, rather than just the device location setting. So probably should have picked up. It may not work on this app. That's alright. We'll go find another app here. I'll go find another app. Let me see what I got here. PayPal. Let's see if we can do that. We got to check up the PayPal, make changes, and make online orders. So that'd be a nice app to have. Use it on my smartphone. Why not use it on the tablet with a little bit bigger screen? Let's finish installing here, or downloading. We go to another screen, another rerun. The install is in the lower right hand corner. I'll wait for it to set up and install. So it's installed. Lower right hand corner it says open. Tap that. We are now utilizing PayPal on a Android Fire tablet sideloaded. Give me a second, I'll be right back. And there it is. Goes through and access to another app quickly sideloaded to Android Fire tablet. Close out of this one. Maybe do one more. Just show it has real strong ability to find an app. Find an app quickly and be able to install it. A lot of people say you gotta go search the internet and then you gotta find it, type in, search for, say Walmart.apk, whatever app, and then APK. Well, APKPure has, all you do is just type in a search bar like you would Google or Play Store, and then they have all the apps. That being said, go back to like PayPal. I do want to show this situation off here. You can come down to, and if you scroll down, you'll say version history. You see the center of the screen, it says darkcenter.com. It's right underneath that. I'll scroll it up if you can to the top. It says version history at the top. There's a little arrow. If you tap that arrow, all the apps they have here, or at least most of them, they have the older versions of the APK. And what this is good for is, like, Google Chrome was broke for a month and a half for a lot of people. And you could revert back to the old version, and it worked. But the new version, there is either broke or really bad off. Anyways, everybody was trying to uninstall, and that's what was told to do, uninstall and install an older version. Well, this is where you'd get the older version, and they're labeled by the version numbers, the date that they was released, and what's new. And you can tap on what's new underneath the version number and the date that it was released, the size of the file, stuff like that. And you can install that. What I'd recommend to do, though, if you're going to install the app like the old version, is of course uninstall the installed version first and then run like a system cleaner, maybe like Norton Clean or something like that, to get rid of old residue files. If you're doing something massive like Chrome, even though Chrome on this wouldn't work without the Play services installed, but this app's also for smartphones, stuff like that. But say some type of app, let me think, just about any app, to restart the device, let it restart after uninstalling, and then install the older version if you're having problems with the newer version. So this is the reason why this app's really cool, and you can get a lot of use out of it. I seen so much stuff months ago with trying to get APKs for the Google Chrome that I realized you don't have to have that much trouble if you're utilizing this app from APKPure, which, as far as I know, is a pretty secure company. It's been out for a long time. I think they're one of the best providers for APKs. I do believe they do virus scans, but I'm not 100% sure on that. So I don't want to give any type of incorrect information or hope and hype that it's the securest place in the world, but it's more than likely pretty secure. it's not gonna, unless the company that uploaded the app originally even to the Play Store had something wrong with its apps. They're not a spoof site here. It's not a spoof app. It shouldn't be too much of a, like, malware, or come up ever as malware, or anything dangerous. People standing behind the company is legit to offer up APK files, not viruses. Anyways, that being said, that's pretty much all I wanted to show off and show you how to sideload apps to your Fire tablet. I have tried this on a Fire Stick. It doesn't work 100% perfectly. Hopefully I can figure out something in the future to see how that would work out. Fire TV Cube, basically anything Android, I would believe you'd be able to download this and at least test to see if it works, to be able to grab files, APK files, and sideload them. Especially anything that's modified Android. But yeah, pretty cool. Pretty cool deal. Hope you guys enjoyed. Peace. Hope this helped you out. And have fun. If you want, you can drop a couple of comments in the comment section, but not needed, stuff like that. Check out darksiner.com, darksinner.com, and browse around there. Hopefully I can build this site up and have some good content, good help, and whatever else, like this video here, and I'm hoping this helps out a lot of people. Like I said, not trying to push it out and push it on to people, but all these people asking, how do I get APKs? Somebody should answer them right away. APKPure, especially when you're trying to get an older version of an APK, rather than, I'm going to repeat it one more time, what is instructed is search Google for the APK, or search for a site, search for the maker, the manufacturer, and then get the APK with the word possibly off a website. If the app's in the Play Store, more than likely it's on APKPure with version history. So, anyways, once again, peace. I'm out.